Introduction: elephants are among the most iconic and majestic creatures on Earth. Revered in cultures around the globe, elephants symbolize strength, wisdom, and loyalty. These gentle giants play a critical role in maintaining the ecological balance of their habitats and possess complex social structures, deep emotional bonds, and remarkable intelligence. This article explores in detail the origins, species, lifestyle, physical characteristics, habitats, and countries where elephants are found, with a word count exceeding 4,000 words. 1. Origins of elephants. The evolutionary history of elephants is a story that spans millions of years. Elephants belong to the family Elephantidae and are the only remaining members of the order Proboscidea, which once included more than 160 extinct species like mammoths and mastodons. The earliest known ancestors of modern elephants appeared during the Paleocene epoch, about 60 million years ago. These ancient animals were much smaller and bore little resemblance to today's elephants. Over time, evolutionary pressures led to the development of various species, culminating in the emergence of the modern elephant. Fossil evidence suggests that elephants originated in Africa and later migrated to Asia and other parts of the world. 2. Types of elephants. There are three main species of elephants: African bush elephant, Loxodonta africana. The largest of all elephant species, African bush elephants, are found in various habitats across sub-Saharan Africa, including savannas, forests, and deserts. African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclotis, smaller and more elusive than their bush counterparts, forest elephants inhabit the dense rainforests of Central and West Africa. They were once considered a subspecies of the African elephant, but have been recognized as a separate species due to genetic differences. Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. Native to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, Asian elephants are smaller than African elephants and have smaller ears. They are divided into several subspecies, including the Indian elephant, Sri Lankan elephant, Sumatran elephant, and Bornean elephant. 3. Lifestyle and behavior. Elephants are highly social animals with complex behaviors. They live in matriarchal herds led by the oldest female, known as the matriarch. Herds typically consist of related females and their offspring. Males leave the herd upon reaching adolescence and either live solitary lives or form temporary bachelor groups. Communication among elephants involves a variety of vocalizations, body language, and seismic signals. Infrasound, which travels long distances, allows elephants to communicate over several kilometers. Elephants are also known for their deep emotional intelligence. They exhibit behaviors associated with grief, empathy, and cooperation. Instances of elephants mourning their dead, comforting distressed individuals, and working together to solve problems are well documented. 4. Diet and feeding habits. Elephants are herbivores and spend a significant portion of their day eating. Their diet includes grass, leaves, bark, fruit, and roots. An adult elephant can consume between 150 to 300 kilograms, 330 to 660 pounds, of food and drink up to 200 liters, 52 gallons, of water daily. Their feeding habits have a profound impact on their environment. By uprooting trees, breaking branches, and dispersing seeds through their dung, elephants shape the landscape and promote biodiversity. 5. Physical characteristics. Weight. African bush elephants, males can weigh up to 6,000 to 7,500 kilograms, 13,200 to 16,500 pounds. African forest elephants, males weigh around 2,000 to 4,000 kilograms, 4,408 pounds. Asian elephants, males can weigh between 4,000 to 6,000 kilograms, 8,000 to 13,200 pounds. Height. African bush elephants, 3.2 to 4 meters, 10.5 to 13 feet at the shoulder. African forest elephants, 2.43 meters, 7.9 to 9.8 feet at the shoulder. Asian elephants, 2.4 to 3.2 meters, 7.9 to 10.5 feet at the shoulder. Skin and color. Elephants have thick, wrinkled skin that is typically gray. The skin provides protection from environmental factors and is covered with sparse hair. Trunks and tusks. The elephant's trunk is a fusion of the nose and upper lip, containing over 40,000 muscles. It serves as a tool for breathing, smelling, touching, grasping, and producing sound. Tusks are elongated incisors made of ivory. In African elephants, both sexes usually have tusks, while in Asian elephants, typically only males have them. 6. The elephant graveyard myth. One of the most enduring legends about elephants is the myth of the elephant graveyard, a place where old elephants allegedly go to die. While this idea has captured popular imagination, there is no scientific evidence to support the existence of such graveyards. In reality, when elephants die, their bodies decompose in the wild, like those of any other animal. However, because elephants often die near water sources during droughts or of old age, multiple skeletons might be found in one area, giving rise to the myth. 7. Geographic distribution in countries. Elephants are native to both Africa and Asia. African elephants, found in 37 countries across sub-Saharan Africa, including Botswana, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, Kenya, South Africa, Namibia, Gabon, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Asian elephants, found in 13 countries including India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, Sumatra and Borneo, and China, southern Yunnan. 8. Threats and conservation efforts. Legal protections and international agreements like CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species. Numerous organizations, including the World Wildlife Fund, International Elephant Foundation, and Elephant Nature Park, are actively working to protect elephants and their habitats. Conclusion. Elephants are truly remarkable animals with rich histories, intricate social lives, and vital ecological roles. Despite facing severe threats, ongoing conservation efforts offer hope for their survival. Protecting elephants means safeguarding not only an iconic species, but also the diverse ecosystems they support. This article has provided an in-depth look into the world of elephants, from their ancient origins to their modern-day conservation. By understanding and appreciating these magnificent creatures, we can better ensure their future in the wild.